Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Wednesday as shares in food, beverage, and tobacco, media, as well as energy sectors, they all ended on a negative note, while shares in banks, as well as retailings, as well as the healthcare, equipment, and services sectors, they gained traction. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications decreasing by 3% in the week ended August 3rd from 2.6 the previous week. Decliners ahead of advancers, 58% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, focus on 21st Century Fox, which reported a fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 57 cents on revenue of $7.94 billion from $6.75 billion in the previous year, citing strong double-digit growth across all operating segments. In addition, Fox's net income surging to $920 million from $476 million last year. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly up overnight. The Nikkei down 0.2%, the Hang Seng up 0.88%, China CSI 300 up 2.5%, South Korea's Kospi up 0.1%. European markets consolidating and U.S. futures calling for a slightly positive start. Well, in terms of expectations today, Viacom third quarter EPS seen at $1.07 on sales of approximately $3.3 billion. Norwegian Cruise Line second quarter EPS seen at $1.04 on sales of approximately $1.5 billion, while Microchip Technology first quarter EPS seen at $1.49 on sales of approximately $1.2 billion. And News Corp fourth quarter EPS seen at 6 cents due out after the market closes. Now on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the combination of both initial and continuing jobless claims figures and July's PPI final demand read month over month. We also have wholesale inventories for the month of June at 10 p.m. Now, on to the markets. The S&P 500 sees a break of a short-term rising trendline support, while the Nasdaq sees consolidation, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bearish. Short positions below 74.96 are favored, with targets at 74.57 and 74.42 in extension, while the Dow Jones sees its aim at roughly 25,415.